students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and doing studies well. Okay students, today I am going to tell you about exponents and radicals. Chapter number 3, and yesterday we have done already the exponents and radicals. What do you mean by the radicals and exponents? And today we will discuss here how to solve the exponent and radical powers. Okay students, let's see here. We have already discussed here in the previous class that laws of exponents. Laws of exponents we have already discussed. And now today we will discuss here the laws of exponents of rational numbers. If there are the rational numbers, then how do we solve the exponents? Let's see here. There are the laws. There is the first law here: x to the power a into y x to the power b, and that must be equals to x to the power same base. If there are same base and the both are multiplying and the powers are different, exponents are different, then what will we do here? As we have already done here, the base same, it means it is added as it is and the powers are adding there. It's clear students? And here x and x, this x is always greater than 0. Always greater than 0. And there is the x as a rational number in all the laws of exponents. This is the rational number. Any rational number whose power is a and it is multiplied that rational number to the power of b, then the power must be added here. Now we will go to the second. There is x to the power a divided by x to the power b. Bases are same and powers are different. It's multiplied here, it's divided here. We will write it as x to the power a into 1 divided by x to the power b. And we have already known about the reciprocal of this number. Yes, that's equals to x to the power a into x to the power minus b. इस नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो जाएगा? x to the power minus b. Now, अगर अब हमें इन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो सेम रूल अप्लाई. Bases are same and the powers are different. These powers are different. Then it's equals to x to the power a minus b. This is the minus here, and if we are adding here a and minus b, then it gets a minus b. Now there is the same thing. This is not equals to 0. It must not equals to 0, and this is always greater than 0. And now we will taking here the part third. In the part third, we are discussing here that x to the power a to the power b, then it must be equals to power to the power. Then powers are multiplying here. X to the power a into b. There must be no sign, it means there is a multiplying here. X to the power a into b. This must get here, and x is always greater than 0. There is a part 4. In the part 4, we will do here that x into x to the power a into y to the power a. Then what will we do here? We are same rule. There is power is same, but here are bases are same and powers are different. Here is bases powers are same and bases are different. Then we will do it as x into y, multiplying the bases and then taking to the power same as. Yes. Now there is a next exponent law, that is x to the power a divided, it have been done here. Now it's the last part, that x divided by y to the power a. If the powers are same, these are different and the powers are same, this will become the rule, x to the power a and y to the power b. A. We will solve it as. Okay students, and where y is non-zero always and x and y are rational numbers and x is always greater than 0. Is this clear students? These are the laws of exponents of rational numbers which we will discuss in this worksheet. Okay, now we will start here the worksheet 2. Let's see. Now let's see students, there is the question number 1 and part 1 is there. There are bases are same here, they are same. बेस आपको यहाँ सेम दिखाई दे रहे हैं, पावर्स डिफरेंट है. इट मीन्स द लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट सेज दैट दिस पावर्स and powers are adding here. X raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. It must get? Yes. Now we will solve it. Its LCM is 10. 5 into LCM is 10 and 5 1 ja 5 and plus 2 1 ja 2. It's getting here x to the power 7 by 10. It's done here. Okay students, now we will do here the part 2. This will done here. I hope you have already known about the laws of exponents. You have remember all the exponents, laws of exponents, and you will do yourself. Very simple questions are there. Now it's there is x, there is x. Bases are same but their powers are different. It means same process. This x is there 6 by 5 and this will becomes here, it will get here the minus 1 by 5 because its reciprocal is in the negative sign and it will get here. Done students. Now we will solve it as simple as 5 is the LCM here and 6 minus 1 is as it is. It's equals to 5 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. It becomes as x to the power 1 and that is x here. Done. Now multiplying x to the power to the power multiplying here 7 into 0. It must be equals to 0 and this is equals to anything to the power 0 is equals to 1. Now we will get here this question. In this question we are having here the coefficients also. Coefficient which are multiplying the numerical values to the variable value. The numerical values which are multiplying to the variable values, and that must be the coefficient 5 6 ja 30. We are multiplying first the coefficient of every number if there is the multiplying sign. 5 6 ja 30 and x bases are same, powers are added 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6. It will get here 30 x to the power 6 by 6 is equals to 30 x. 6 1 6 6 1 6. 30 x is the answer here. It will done here. Now we will go to the next question. There is a part here. There is no coefficient, there is 1. Okay, 1 to the 2. There is 2 and bases are same, x and x are same and the powers are adding minus 7 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Both signs are same here. Now we will solve it. 2x LCM is 2 here minus 7 minus 1. यहाँ हम जब सोल्व करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर आएगा minus 8 divided by 2. Same sign. It means we will do here the sum 7 plus 1 that is 8 and we will get the same sign and that is minus 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. It will get here 2x to the power minus 4 and that's equals to 2 divided by x to the power. It will get the answer. Is this clear students? Now we will go to the next question. Let's see. students, there is the question number 2 and part 1. In the part 1, there is a number and whose power is this? First, we will solve it that what's the power of 5, what's the prime factorization 512. Let's see, there are 512. 2 to the 4, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12. 2 in the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 8 is 16. 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. 2 in the 2, 2 6 is 12. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 to the power 9 is 512. Yes? Okay students? It means we are taking here 2 to the power 9 and to the power minus 2 by 9. And we have already done the laws of exponent, that power and whose rational radical is this, then it's multiplying here 2 to the power 9 into minus 2 by 9. If there is no any number, then it will become here the 1. Now यहाँ हम 9 से 9 कट करेंगे, 9 से 9 कट करेंगे, 9 is divided by 9 and it will get here the 2 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 2. नीचे तो डिनोमिनेटर में हमारे पास 1 ही रह जाएगा, तो 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is 2 to the power minus 2 and 2 to the power minus 2, its reciprocal is 1 divided by 2 to the power 2. Its reciprocal is this, and 1 divided by 2 to the power 2 is 4. It will get 2. Okay students, it's solved here. Any problem? If you get any problem, then ask me, but there is nothing typical here. First, find the factorization of this 512 to e.g. the power of this number. There is cutting here this power 2 to the power 9. 9 9 cut and we can solve easily. Okay. Now we will do here the part 2. Let's see. In the part 2 there is the number 216. Again there is the number 216. It means we are getting here 216. We have to solve this number as, firstly we will solve here, let's see here one minute. We will solve this power first. Let's see, 216 and to the power this into this, 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. Yes, देखिए कितना अच्छा हो गया. 2 is cut to 2 and 2, 2 and 2 already cut there, and 216 to the power 1 by 3. It means we have to solve this power as the power of 3. Whose what is the number here? Whose power 3 is 216. Let's see, 216 factorization. 2 and 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14, 3 3 is 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. There are 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. But we are taking here only one number. Bases are different, but powers are same. It means we are doing here 2 into 3 to the power 3. It means this is the 6 to the power 3. Yes? It means this is equals to 6 to the power 3. As I have told you that you have on tips the cubes of numbers and the square of numbers, and the cube roots of numbers and the square roots of numbers, some numbers. Some starting numbers you have to know about that those numbers, and then you can solve easily. There is nothing to solve this using like this, because if you are on tips, the 216, whose cube is the 216, you will solve easily. It means if you have not, it means that is 6 here. There is no यहाँ इसको लिखने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. इट मीन्स हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा 2 to the power 1 by 3. cube 6 cube is equals to 216 to the power 1 by 3. The powers are multiplying. 3 into 1 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. This equals to 6 to the power 1 means 6. It will get here this. Done? Okay students. Now we will do here the next part, and there is the next part here. 10 divided by 8 to the power minus 1 by 3. 10 divided by, okay, 1 minute. I will tell you that divide is, we will change divide into multiply, and then we will take here the reciprocal of this number, or we are taking here it in the denominator. So it will get here 1 by 8 to the power 1 by minus 3. Done students? And the reciprocal of this number is equals to 10 into 8 to the power 1 by 3. And now 8, whose cube is 8? Yes, 2. That's the number of 2. 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8. It means it will become here 2 to the power 3. 10 into 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. 10 into 2 is equals to 20. There we will get here the 20 as a number. Is this clear students? Okay. And next questions you will solve yourself. Is better to understand the questions. Let's try some 3 more questions. Okay, let's see. Let's see here the students. There are the 2 problems also, and it will becomes as 1 divided by. There is the number 3 to the power 4 and to the power 1 by 2 and to the power minus 2. It means powers are multiplying here. Yes, base is 3 and powers are multiplying. A into B into C. That is 4 into 1 by 2 into minus 2. Done? 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. It will get here, it equals to 3 to the power minus. There is the negative sign, minus 4. Minus 1 and minus 1 into 4, minus 4. And it will get here रेसिप्रोकल. इसका रेसिप्रोकल, इस नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो जाएगा? 3 to the power 4. It's a positive power. It will get here 3 to the power 4. There is 81. It will get here. Now we will solve it. That there is a 27 here and to the power minus 2 by 3, and 81 to the power 5 by 4 and 1 by 3 to the power minus 3. We will get 27, whose cube is 27, because there is a 3 power, and we have to cut it because we are taking in the trick, and we can make it as simple as we can. 27 we are seeing here. Try to make it in the powers of 3. Yes, 3 to the power 3 and to the power minus 2 by 3. And into, there is the 81, whose 4th power is 81, because there is a 4. Yes, 3 to the power 4 and to the power 5 by 4. In place of 81, I have write it as 3 to the power 4. ओके, अब हम डिनोमिनेटर लेंगे. डिनोमिनेटर में सेम 1 to the power anything else is 1 always, and 3 to the power minus 3. Its power is dividing it into this and this. Okay, and now we will solve it as the powers are multiplying here. 3 to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 5 by 4, and it will dividing it. Its a reciprocal of this number is 3 to the power 3. Yes, reciprocal of this number, because there is a negative power, and if 1 divided by any numbers negative power, then it will get the reciprocal of this number. वे हम यहाँ इसके reciprocal का reciprocal लिखेंगे. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. We are getting here 3 to the power minus 2. There is the minus 2 power into 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5. And there is the 3 to the power 3. We have already done in the previous class the powers chapter. So there is no problem how to solve it, how to find the power of this number. You will try those questions and then you will get. There is the power 3 to the power minus 2 and there is 3 to the power 5. Bases are same, there is the multiplying, bases are same and powers are different. It means, yes, exponents are adding here, 3 to the power minus 2 plus 5. 3 to the power minus 2 and plus 5. And there is the 3 to the power 3. We will get here 3 to the power minus 2 plus 5. Different sign, it means we will take here the difference of the two numbers, 5 and 2, 3. Difference is 3 and we will get here the different sign which we will get here from the largest number. There is the largest number, यहाँ largest number के सामने positive sign है. It means answer में भी हम positive sign देंगे. And नीचे हमारे पास है denominator में 3 to the power 3. And bases are same, powers are also same, but we will take it as 3 to the power. Bases are same and 3 to the power minus 3. नीचे वाली पावर ऊपर आ जाएगी, रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा तो माइनस पावर आ जाएगी. And 3 to the power 0 and it must be equals to 1. It will get the answer. Okay students? Yes, it will be done here. Now we will do here the next two more questions. Let's see. There are two more problems. Students, you are seeing here again. To solve the powers and exponents, we are trying to solve the number changes to the powers of 2. Let's see. In this and in this also, 36 powers of 2. It will changes to powers of 2. Whose power is 2? Whose power 2 is 36. We will solve. And same here, whose power 2 is 64. Whose square is 64? Yes, 8. We will get here 8 to the power 2 is 64 and to the power 1 by 2. And there is 8, again 8 because we will change it into the powers of 2. And plus 1. Now we will solve it. 8 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. And there is the bracket here. 8 to the power 2 into 1 by 2 and plus 1. It will again cut there. 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 2 1 2. And we will get here 8 to the power 1. It means there is the 8. And there is also 8 to the power 1 plus 1. It will get here 8 into 9. There is the 72 answer. It will done. This is the very easy method. But there is the problem how to solve it. So first it changes the numbers into the powers of these denominators. Try to solve. If not done, then try another method. Okay. Now we are taking here this example 36. Yes, whose square is 36? 6 extra 36. It means 6 की power 2 and to the power 7 by 2 minus 6 to the power 2 to the power 9 by 2. And denominator 6 raised to the power 2 and to the power 5 by 2. अब हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे. न्यूमरेटर को सॉल्व करेंगे पहले. 6 to the power 2 into. These are multiplying. Both are multiplying together and minus same again here. This will get power to the power. It means we are multiplying here. Done. Now we are taking here the denominator also 2 into 5 by 2. हम यहाँ भी पावर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 into 5 by 2. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Same 6 to the power 7 minus 6 to the power 9 divided by 6 to the power 5. It will get here. Okay students. Now we are solving here. There is 6 to the power 7 minus 6 to the power 9. Students, we are seeing here 6 to the power 7 minus 6 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 2. Because bases are same, powers are adding. 7 plus 2, 9. It will become as, but there is the 6 power 7, so we will take here the common and then we will solve it easily. 6 to the power 5. Again, let's see. It's done here, this question. Six to the power 7 is common here, and 6 to the power 7. There is 1 minus 6 to the power 2. This is 6 to the power 2, and there is, if this is common here from this, then it will be multiplied by 1, and there is 1 here. And in the below, there is 6 to the power 5. And we will get here 6 to the power 7, and it will be done here. Bases are same and powers are different. And this is also the multiplying here, there is no sign. Okay? It means 6 to the power 7 minus 5. Its reciprocal is gone to this. Yes? And 1 minus 6 to the power 2 is what? Square of 6 is 36. And it will get here 6 to the power 7 minus 5, that is 2. And 1 minus 36 is minus 35. And it will get here 6 to the power 2, 36 into minus 35. And we are taking here, the answer is we are multiplying both the numbers. It will be done here. Okay, students. Now we will. Okay, this is over here. Today's class. You will solve remaining questions yourself. Okay, students. If you have any problem, then ask me on the WhatsApp number. Okay. Bye, students. Have a nice day.